requiring the Commonwealth to provide you the information to help prepare for the defense. What is the negotiation day for next month?
March 13th at 9 a.m.
March 13th at 9 a.m.
Brother, I hope I'll be at the basketball tournament. It depends on how they play.
But we're gonna
if
miss
not,
you.
I'll
And
arrange
March
to
the
get
March the
off.
24th. March 24th.
Your Honor, I note that I've got Metcalf at 9 that morning too, so I think I can probably take care of Metcalf and then get here later. That's all right. We'll be here for a while. That's what I figured. I just got one case over there, so.
Okay. No reason that this gentleman can't be continued on the same bond, so.
Thank you, Ron. So that's all I have this morning.
Have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Mary Crawford. Mary Crawford. Commonwealth versus Mary Crawford, 26 CR 007. Are you Mary Crawford?
Yes.
You born in 1972?
Yes.
Last four digits, social security number 7307. Represent the Office of Public Advocacy in District Court. I'll continue. Do what?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll continue the appointment. We're here for arraignment. You have a right to reconcile. If you have any questions, you step away from the podium and ask your attorney. The grand jury of Cumberland County has returned an indictment charging you possession of controlled substance, first degree methamphetamine, possession of controlled substance in the third degree, possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of controlled substance not in the original containment, operating a motor vehicle under the influence, improper equipment, bad muffler, careless drive. The dreaded muffler charge.
That's a top priority.
I'm signing a reciprocal discovery order. It requires the Commonwealth to provide you with information on how you carry your defense. You used to be here on March 13th at 9 a.m. for a negotiation day with your attorney, and March the 24th for your next court date. Both of those are conditions of your bond. See no reason why you should not be continue on the same bond. You're free to go.
Judge, she is on a leg monitor. I assume that was us giving down district court. She's been on that for about a month and a half
I
now.
don't know anything about her, know anything about the case. You didn't talk to the Commonwealth about it.
It's become an expense issue for
Well,
her.
you can talk
She
to
can't
the
afford.
Commonwealth about that. Unless you want to hear him, because I don't know anything about why it was put on there in the first place. It might be something I'm not aware of or you're not aware of, you know?
Well, I'm certainly not aware of it because I was on district court.
It'll be with now in the investigate, but I'm kind of unsure why she's got one.
Yeah, it's real expensive.
Okay, well, we'll take that in consideration, and I won't make you come back again. If the Commonwealth agrees, I'll agree, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Hopefully by the time we meet on the 13th.
Dixon. Escalona. And I want to put on the record that Miss Garman's mother came over to my house to see me, but she was very kind, and she didn't talk about the case. She just talked about her health concerns of her daughter. But I wanted both sides to be aware of that. I've known her mother and respect her mother for a long time, so it had no effect on the case. A motion is tendered, says you wish to enter guilty plea. Is that correct? Okay. Are you currently under the influence of drugs or alcohol? Is this plea freely and voluntarily given? Are you the same person that was named in 25 CR 0064? Yes. Okay. Is your judgment impaired today? You know what's going on here? Okay. Have you discussed these charges with your attorney? Are you satisfied with his advice?
Yes.
Have you reviewed the evidence that the Commonwealth has against you? You believe you're fully informed about your case?
Yes.
You understand that you do not have to enter a guilty plea today. You have certain rights under the Kentucky United States Constitution. Before I can accept the plea, I need to know that you understand those rights. I'm going to go over the rights. If you have a question, you can step away and talk to Mr. Poindexter about it, okay? You have a right not to testify against yourself. No one make you say anything. You have a right to speedy trial, but jury right to be represented by counsel at your jury trial. That confront possibly and all witnesses called to testify against you, right to be said this, right to have a decision in favor, the right to appeal this matter to a higher court if you lose, and the right to private conduct for reason that which you go to charge. You understand that by entering a guilty plea today, you waive those rights. You understand that? Okay, now I may consider the commonwealth's recommendation, but may find the range of sentence provided below. I don't have to accept the recommendation prior to accepting any recommendation. I will wait the precinct's investigation report number probation. In the event that I do not accept the commonwealth's recommendation and decide to impose a harsher sentence, you'll have a right to withdraw your plea and have a jury trial. You understand that? What's the commonwealth's recommendation, Mr. Dodd?
Your Honor, Ms. Garner will plead guilty operating a motor vehicle under the influence of alcohol or other substance, fourth offense. She'll receive a sentence of 5 years, serve 120 days, balance probated for 5 years. Probations be supervised. She'll also be agreed to be assessed and follow all recommendations of the Social Service Commission, pay court costs at discretion of the court. All evidence in this case will be destroyed, and the Commonwealth's waiving any work requirements in this case.
Is that what you agreed to?
No.
Are you entering this plea because you did commit the acts charged in the indictment as amended? You're doing so of your own free will. And your constitutional rights are given to you, is still your desire to give up those and let the court fix your punishment. And do you understand by entering a plea, any future convictions of felonies could enhance the range penalty under persistent felony offender law? You understand that? Is that your signature on the motion?
Yes.
Okay, I'll accept the plea and order precinct's investigation report, schedule sentencing for March the 24th. Now, I do have a notation here that surety you requesting come off the bond. What's that about?
Here, the surety's here.
Who is the surety?
Her sister, Cheryl.
You wanna come around?
All right, just to confirm, March 24th is Tuesday?
I don't know.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, you want to come off the bond, do you?
I do, if it costs her to go to jail, I don't, but I just feel,
Well, it will cost her to go to jail unless you can get somebody else on the bond.
I can stay on it till she can get somebody else.
Well, it's up to you how long you stay on it, you know.
Just
I
feel
can't, you know, if she comes off that bond, she'll be put in jail until somebody else can make the bond. The bond's a low bond. The only thing left to do now is the sentencing. No, so she was going,
Was you planning on putting her in custody today anyway, like normal, or are you gonna let her stay out till sentencing?
it
Yes.
hadn't been addressed,
Okay.
you know.
I thought that might make that issue moot. I didn't know.
Well, it might, but here's the deal. I don't know whether the jail is capable of taking care of that. So I will leave her out if you'll stay on the bond.
Okay.
Normally what Mr. Stockton brings up, normally when somebody enters the plea,
she's got to go by the rules, I've been told her.
yeah. So if she violates it, you know, the only way you'd be responsible for anything is she absconds, if she leaves.
Okay.
Okay, any of these other rules we'll take care of.
I'll stay on,
Okay.
if she
Okay.
violates the law.
I'm gonna allow you to stay out on this bond because of the health considerations that previously been addressed here in this court. Do not violate the bond. You can be subject to random searches. You're gonna waive your Fourth Amendment rights. They can search wherever you're living, and you also need to make sure that we know where you're living. Okay? Thank you very much. Kristen Garner. Kristen Garner. Was she given notice to be here?
Yeah, he was notified by
It's a
mail.
he, so
I think that he reported Mr. Garner.
DPA represent Mr. Garner?
I believe we did, Judge.